If you use split screen or pop-up window on your Samsung phone, then there is one good luck model you definitely need to know about. It is called the MultiStar. And while it may look like a small model, it completely changes how multitasking works on your Samsung phone. So in today's video, I'll take you through every single feature inside the MultiStar and show you what each one of them does. So welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. And if you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been doing a complete series covering every single good luck model Samsung has to offer. So if you've missed them, I've got a good luck playlist right up here in the corner. It contains not only that series, but also every individual good luck feature that comes and how you could actually use them. So in today's video, we are looking at the MultiStar, the good luck model that focuses on split screen, pop-up view, Samsung DeX, and multitasking in general. But without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So first and foremost, we're going to go into the good luck. Once you're inside here, the first thing you need to do is go to the top here and make sure you've updated it. Currently, there is a new update. So we're done with the update, so we jump right into good luck again. So once in here, we're going to jump into the MultiStar. So we scroll all the way down and we look for MultiStar and jump in. Inside here, we're going to be talking about every single thing that we come across. So let's begin. So the first thing we're seeing here is the quick launch of multi-window. You want to turn this on, and once you turn it on, what this is basically doing is allowing you to use the recent key, which for individuals who use this, that's the navigation button. When you hold down on that recent key, which is that, you get to immediately jump either into split mode or into pop-up view, depending on which one you select. So let's say we want to use the split screen mode. Once I hold down on this, immediately it's going to jump into split screen mode, and then I select the other application I want to pair with it. And that's how to use that very feature. If I didn't want it in split screen mode, but I wanted it in pop-up view, it means that when I hold down on this, immediately this is going to go into pop-up view. So hold down and pop-up view. So that is how to use that very feature to immediately jump you from a normal full screen directly into either split screen mode or multi-window mode. Now with this feature, instead of going into recent applications, tapping on this and then selecting either of these, or pulling applications from the side and dropping them either into pop-up or into that mode, or pulling from the side to get a particular application into pop-up view, all you need to do now is hold down on the recent key, and having set this one for whichever you want, you're able to send it into that exact mode. So if you're someone who uses multitasking often, this will save you a surprising amount of time. Moving on. The next feature we're looking at is the multi-window screen zoom. So normally, when two applications are open side by side like this, we have so much of each of the applications in frame, but they feel a bit zoomed in like usually they should. But with that feature turned on, what will be happening is when you go into a certain mode, it's going to actually shrink or reduce how the fonts and everything look in that space, so that you can get more of the information from that page inside the view. Now let me show you. So currently this is how it looks like. I'm going to close this. And with this toggled on, we get to apply it either to split screen or to pop-up. So in the absence of this selection, when I hold down on this, we can see from the top all the way to open in pop-up view. All right. But now when I have this feature turned on and I go into that mode, we can see from the top past pop-up view, and we can see up till this point. So it allows more into the view whenever we go into that split screen mode, because that's what is selected. If I turn this off without selecting pop-up view and I hold down on this, that we can see what we're seeing from here till here. All right. So now let's go back into the full screen mode and then select the pop-up view and send it into pop-up view. Now we have more of the content in that page existing in the pop-up window. So this is what that feature also is for. And the thing with this very portion is you can actually select both of them. So both of them would get applied whenever you go into them. Okay. This means that more of your emails, more of your web page, and more of even your spreadsheet, or simply more information is shown without constantly scrolling through. It's a small change, but once you turn it on, split screen mode or pop-up view begins to show you more information. Now, the next feature we're looking at here is multi-focus. This one is designed to keep both applications active when you are in the split screen mode. So previously or even currently, there are applications that when opened side by side in a split screen mode like this, proceeding to work with one of them is going to cause the other one to be not being focused on. So it's going to stop that one. And this actual feature has come to clear that from there. Whereas in recent time, most of these applications can work with other applications at the same time. In case you meet an application that does not allow you to work with another application in the split screen mode without it actually getting paused, turning on this very feature of multi-focus would be very helpful in making that a thing of the past. So it just allows the phone to focus on multiple applications in the split window at the same time. If you didn't know this, I'm glad I was able to show you. Let's move on. Now, the next feature we're looking at is remove blur effect on adjusting split view. Now, this is a very simple tool. Whenever you go to minimize or increase one portion of your split screen mode by holding down on these three dots, and then you scroll down and up, we can see it in a blurred mode. Okay, if you don't want that blurred mode, you can just toggle this feature on, and now when you go, it's going to look like this. And so it's just a basic tool that you can turn on and off. And for me, I prefer it blurred, so I keep it there. So the next application we are looking at here is the keep split mode. Now, this is one of the most misunderstood options inside the MultiStar. For you to appreciate this, you should be someone who uses something like your edge panel. This way, whenever you tap on an application, it opens the application in full screen mode, like that. If I open application, full screen mode. So once that is the case, that you swipe on your edge panel, any application you open opens in full screen mode, that becomes a thing of the past when this feature has been turned on. So now, if I turn this feature on, if I come inside here and select any application, it's going to replace the one on top because that feature is on. So your phone does not leave the multi-window when you go to select a new application from the edge panel. So I go into the edge panel, I want another application, I can tap on that application and it replaces the one on top. Now, do not misunderstand this one with the case where any application you select here opens in split screen mode, because if that is the option, then when you select the application, it's always going to exchange with the one at the bottom. Now, let me help you understand this. I'm going to go into Good Lock, and then I'm going to go into Home App, and I'm going to go into Edge Panel. Now, for my Edge Panel, I'm going to say that all the applications I open in Edge Panel should open in split screen mode and apply it. This means that when in MultiStar and I have that feature turned off, but I am in split screen mode, because I have on my edge panel, any application I select goes into split screen mode. When I select the application, it replaces the one at the bottom. But if I turn this feature on and I select an application, it's still going to be replacing the one at the bottom. So to better appreciate this, your edge panel should be opening applications in full screen. Then when you select it, instead of it opening in full screen, it will be replacing the one on top. All right, so there we have it with the open in split screen mode. All right, move it on. So this is one of the most misunderstood too inside here. What it does is, once this has been toggled on, it does not, as it sounds, avoid you from actually minimizing pop-up view. What I mean is that, let's say you're in a pop-up view this way, it does not prevent you from minimizing it into a floating icon. But what it does is, with this feature turned on, let's say I am in here, and then I have this application in pop-up view that is on the screen. I'm doing something with it. If this feature has been turned off, and then I go to the home screen by swiping down this way, it closes all the applications, including this one, and sends it into a floating icon. But I'm going to go back inside, have this application opened, and now I'm going to turn this on. With this turned on, it completely avoids this getting minimized even when I swipe to leave everything on the screen and go to the home screen. So now I swipe this way and it's still going to open up because It keeps whatever is in pop-up view still in pop-up view and avoids the automatic reduction of them into the floating window. So basically, that is that feature also. Now this one here is the high resolution for external display. When this is enabled like this, it allows Samsung DeX to use high display resolution on supported external monitors. Even when the wired connection might not necessarily support it, this might actually cause heating, just like it's being said there. So if you're a Samsung DeX user who connects to larger monitors and you want sharper display, this one actually being turned on is going to be very assistive in getting that done. All right, so if you didn't know this, I'm glad I was able to show you. Moving on. Now the final option here is what you find right at the bottom. That is set pop-up gesture size. Now, if you've watched some of my previous videos, I have chipped this in as features that are quite important, but it's changed position, and that is where this one comes into play. So currently, to get access to be able to change the portion at the top corners where you swipe down to get things into pop-up view, this is where you want to go to. So as you can see here, now you can go into your settings and then go into advanced features, and under multi-window menu, you should find it there. So if we tap on this, it's going to take us into this window where you can back out of here and you see that you're inside advanced features inside settings. And then if you go into multi-window, you can find swipe pop-up view. Tap on this and you're going to find it right here. So as you play around with this and you check the corner here, you're going to see blue squares there that are increasing and decreasing based on me going to the left for small and right for large, increasing the window where you pull the gesture of pop-up view from. So although this feature has moved from its previous location, it is still available and you just have to configure the settings. So this here is everything that has to do with the MultiStar good lock model. Quick launch of multi-window screen zoom, a very important one, multi-focus, removing the blur effect if you want to, keeping that split screen mode, preventing the pop-up view minimization, high resolution for Samsung DeX, and the pop-up gesture configuration. If you use multitasking regularly, this is one of the most useful good lock models Samsung has created. And if you're following this good lock series, please don't forget to check that playlist I showed in the video in the top right corner, because I've covered almost everything inside good lock. Only one more to go. So let me know in the comment section which multi-star feature you're thinking of using the most. But without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.